Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video. And before I get on to talking about what I'm going to talk about, can I please request you to press that subscribe button and the notification icon if you're watching it on YouTube, and if you're watching us on Facebook, please press that follow and like button. And on both the platforms, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family, and leave us a comment on what you think about it, and you will have a chance to win some amazing prizes every month. And today we're going to talk about Motorola's entry into the 5G world. Now this is the Motorola Moto G 5G Plus, which is one of the 5G models that they have recently launched, and we're going to find out all about it in a minute. And this is of course a mid-range phone when it comes to 5G, which is just amazing. So giving 5G phone in the hands of the world is what we are looking at. And let's get straight on to looking at the box. The box is pretty simple. We've got a Motorola logo and Motorola 5G, the branding on the front, Motorola logo on the side, some basic information on the left, and some key pointers on the phone, and some images at the back. Looking at the phone itself, let's get straight on to opening this and finding out what's inside it. Hello guys, I'm back again, and today we are talking about the new Motorola Moto G5G Plus, the newest 5G phone from the house of Motorola. And inside the box we have this charger, which is a 20-watt fast charger and can charge your battery very quickly, a USB Type-C cable, and wired headphones as well with 3.5mm connector. Now this is very unique because most of the brands have stopped giving these along with the phones anymore. And of course the device itself, when you look at the device, they've packed it up with the silicone case already on it in the packaging so that your phone doesn't get damaged. When it comes to the body, while I turn this on, let me just press this button so that it turns itself on. There we go. And great looking phone so far, slight bit bulky, and the Hello Moto on the startup. So yeah, as I was saying, it's slightly bulky, but it's still a very beautiful looking phone. The mere size of this screen is impressive enough because this is Gorilla Glass in the front. Though it has the plastic back and the plastic frame, it still gives you that amazing feel because of the the design at the back which they've given. And on the body itself, we've got the SIM card tray and a toggle here, and a volume toggle on this side, and the on-off switch, which also acts as a fingerprint scanner. At the bottom we've got the 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-C connector, and the stereo speaker system. And at the back we've got the quad camera. We're going to talk all about it in a bit. Now this is 6.7 inches of LCD captive touchscreen display with 16 million color, which give you 1080 by 2520 pixels of resolution on a 21:9 aspect ratio, and a 409 ppi density. And one of the best parts, and despite this being a mid-range 5G phone, is that this is 90 Hz of refresh rate and HDR10, so you can expect some great quality videos on this in terms of your screen experience. Android 10, Qualcomm Snapdragon 765, which is an octa-core processor, and it's a 7nm chipset and a 5G chipset of course. It's got one 2.3 GHz Cairo 475 Prime, one 2.2 GHz Cairo 475 Gold, and six 1.8 GHz Cairo 475 silvers inside it, and an Adreno 620 on the GPU. Great features when it comes to power, and great power when it comes to Motorola Moto G5G Plus. It's got a dedicated memory card slot, so in case you want to expand the memory from beyond what it carries, which comes in two variants, 64GB and 4GB combination, and 128GB and 6GB combination, then that's the one we're holding today. You can extend that memory again using that dedicated micro SD slot, and along with that of course the dual SIM card tray does exist, and this is nano SIMs again. Now let's talk about why most of us buy phones apart from talking on them and the looks of them. We buy them because they have great cameras, and this one definitely does have a great camera. A quad camera setup, which is the 48 megapixel f1.7 26mm wide lens, 8 megapixel f2.2 118 degrees ultra wide lens, 5 megapixel on the macro with f2.2, and 2 megapixel for the depth with f2.2 again. And of course it's got this long beautiful double LED flash here to give you that ultra brightness even in the dim light if you are in the dark as well. And all these put together can give you 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and they can also do 1080p videos at 30 or 60 frames per second. When it comes to the front, a dual camera setup again, which is amazing, so you can expect some great quality selfies and selfie videos, because this is 16 megapixel prime selfie, which is f2.0 wide angle camera, and an 8 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide camera as well, which is again HDR, which can give you 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. So you can expect some great quality selfies and selfie videos. So this is amazing for some of those bloggers and vloggers and content creators to have. When it comes to connectivity, of course, everything is latest. We've got Wi-Fi 802.11 across all the bands, and Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, Bluetooth 5.1, and everything that comes around it. And of course the USB Type-C connectivity. The fingerprint we spoke about is mounted on the side. And last but not the least, another very powerful feature, which is a desire for most of us, is the battery life. Now this is 5000 mAh battery, and which comes with a 20-watt charger as we see here, and this can take you through a 2-day work process without having to recharge it, or at least 1.5 days of continuous usage. Great looking phone and a great battery life, great camera, and comes at a very affordable price, which you can buy it at the retail stores right now if you want, at only 1,299 dirhams. This is a great phone for that price because it packs some amazing features, great power, and of course the 5G chipset that comes inside it. Guys, so go get yourself one and let us know what you think about it. Leave your comments in the video and you get a chance to win some amazing prizes. This is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, signing off. Keep yourself safe. Peace.